Right then, it's the year 2021 and we're still here. Nothing catastrophically major has happened, so we managed to make it. And well, we still have things over from last year that we have brought over to this year. And I still haven't managed to finish off some of the reviews from last year. And in fact, I have a lot of stuff from last year that I still want to make over to this year. So this is going to be another one of those very quick videos of a very fast unboxing. You've seen loads already. But I just want to do a very quick Game & Watch unboxing, quick review, literally a power on quick review of a Game & Watch console. So let's do this. So yeah, how was your Christmas and New Year? And yes, please subscribe now. Press that subscribe button. Subscribe. So yes, we have the Game & Watch, the color screen Super Mario Game & Watch system. These were fantastic, and this is how Nintendo started up the the portable game revolution by creating these one game handheld systems. And this was basically the way that people had the devices. There were actually quite a few of these, and each one of these devices had one particular game or two games. They had maybe one or two games built in, and add one of those static LCD displays, and also add the time or the clock feature and the Game & Watch. Obviously a watch is now or a clock function is now taken for granted nowadays, but back in the days clock function was quite impressive. It wasn't as often that you would have the nice feature of having a clock where you were, or a digital watch anyway. You would have a timepiece, so you would have a watch, but you would have obviously a digital watch was another thing. And kids having a watch with them or a clock was a hell of a lot of different things. Now the nice thing with this is that you've got this nice colourful box, and I do really like this. It's very nice, it's very colourful, and it shows the Super Mario introduction screen, or the startup screen, and it says there Super Mario Bros. So it's colour screen, and it's got that nice colour screen writing there. It's got the clouds, it's got the tubes there, it's got the level, all the nice things with the nice level thing there. But as we slide the box out, or we slide the sleeve out, we have a different game. And that is pretty cool. It's quite neat. Now the original one didn't actually have the Mario face on. However, with this one they obviously made it to have the Mario face. And yeah, that's actually pretty nice. You've got the nice little plastic sleeve and transparent sleeve. It's nice. It's a collector's item. It's not something that you would buy to really play. It's more of a collector's item. That's why it's in the box and stuff. Let's have a look what it says on. So it says it's on this part, it says Game & Watch color screen, and it says ball, and that's the game, ball. On this side it's got the barcode and the relevant information, and it says it's got the original Nintendo seal of approval, seal of quality, more content information. On this side it's got SM35, that's the internal model number, and then you've got the Nintendo logo. On the back it tells you what games there are. So we've got Super Mario Bros, Super Mario Bros 2, we've got Ball and Time. And then at the back here we've got the different languages, Espanol, Portuguese and Italian. I did purchase this in Italy, so we've got the Italian version, but it doesn't really matter, they're all the same. So if we open this, there's a nice little special thanks to you, and it's there on the flap, and you only really see this once you open it, so it's quite nice, and a nice little Easter egg, I suppose, if that's what you'd call it. So if we open this, we slide this out. And Nintendo in the past few years has done a very nice job in making these little trays that come out. And this one is no difference, with this nice little cardboard tray that comes out. So the box actually comes out and everything is nicely laid out inside. So we've got the instruction manual, which, well, we're not going to read. Oh, we've got, yeah, my GameStop receipt, just for the information. In this case, it will say that I have paid for this one. There's other stuff that I paid for this, but what is it? What is it? Hold on, it's a big one. Game and Watch, $50.98. So we pay 50. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, $50.98. We pay €50.98 for this. Yeah, they're not the cheapest, but bear in mind that they are collector's items, so they are actually supposed to be that for collection. So we've got a nice little short USB Type-C cable. Put that to the side, and then I will do this. This unclips that side, so this lifts up and this comes out. So we put that to the side, and we've got our console, which sort of just slides out. And this is it. It is pretty plasticky. In fact, it's mostly made of plastic, but I'm not going to say all made of plastic, because the front faceplate is actually an aluminium, and you've got a plastic screen, plastic buttons, rubber buttons there, and these are rubber as well. So actually just the D-pad is plastic, hard plastic. The rest are all rubber buttons, and they don't feel too bad actually. They feel quite nice. There's also a plastic power button. Oh, that's already on. We've got a tiny speaker on this side and the USB Type-C on that side, and that's it. 4 screws on the back, your safety information on the back, your barcode with your serial number, and that's that. Now the nice thing is that there's a trick on here, that where the screen is, that you, while the time is on, we should be able to spawn all the baddies by just clicking the buttons. I think one of these will spawn loads of things. I think we can, one of these we press and it can keep on spawning them. See, we can keep spawning them and spawn all loads of the bad guys. And I think another trick is that if we press time, we can change the level. So we can change different levels. That's that. In the pause and set, we've got the volume and the brightness, and then with the set time. And looking at this, the time is yeah, the time is wrong. It's actually the wrong time. It's 1 hour behind, but it doesn't matter. It's fine. And then we go to game. And there's a little tiny menu, and you've got Super Mario Bros, Super Mario Bros 2, and we got Ball. Now, I don't actually remember Super Mario Bros 2, and I know someone said something about Super Mario Bros 2 being the lost levels or something like that, but I'm not 100% certain. However, I will quickly show you a quick run of Super Mario Bros so you can see it. It's very awkward to play like this because, you know, you're looking at it, but I'm looking at a big screen up there, and it's quite awkward. So I'm going to try and do a quick run. So yeah, it's not going to be the best. I think it's going to be, which one is it to start? Oh, just A. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I missed the mushroom because looking at the screen, yeah. I'm going to have to try and look at the small screen here, because looking at, I've got a bit of lag when I look at the TV up there. Yeah, that's better now. Yeah, let's get a mushroom. I still lost. Not really good, am I? That's it. Third time lucky. This is going to be a very fast run. There you go. And that's how you win the level. I do have to say that looking at the screen, it's got a very nice sharp quality screen. It looks like the pixels are nicely laid out. I mean, it looks like it's 1-to-1 for the game, but I would assume that they would have used the proper screen, because it would have been stupid to use the incorrect screen for this. So that is pretty cool. So going to a different one, this is the one that it says Mario 2, and I don't actually remember this. See, I don't actually remember these levels. I don't ever remember. I don't recall ever playing these. And it's actually pretty difficult, to be honest. Hold on, let me just see if I can zoom. There you go, so I can actually play further down. That's it. I couldn't go up there. Okay. And the last game is Ball. You got game A and game B, but obviously it's a different way of playing a game. And as I said, this is where it used to be like the LCD. Imagine that you only add certain positions of the LCD panel, only add a certain physical positions to be, and that's what it was. So that's your game. Yeah. Nowadays, with the games we have, we probably find this a bit boring, but when it gets faster, it's not too bad. I played this, and I managed to get to about 100. No, actually, no, I got to 99. Yeah, because the top score is at the bottom. I got to 99. I was kind of annoyed, to be honest, because I was like, oh my god, I missed one by one. When it gets faster, it's a bit more interesting. Because when it's slow, it's more difficult when it's slow than when it's fast. See? You can kind of guess what it's going to be anyway. Yeah, and then that happens. So, yeah, let's go for that for the fun of it. Oh, yeah, you got three balls. That's what it is. Okay, that's more difficult, because you got 3 to juggle. 3 balls to juggle. But I'm gonna, yeah. Well, that's the game. This is the Game and Watch. So, what's your opinion on this? Looking at this, yeah, it's got the viewing angle isn't the greatest. I mean, if you're looking at it straight on, when you're playing on it, it's not too bad, because you're playing like this, it's fine. But the viewing angle is not the greatest. I do have to admit, it's not the greatest type of screen. It's a good gadget to have on the shelf. Yeah. I'm not going to open this. I'm sorry. I'm not going to go any further than this. This device has caused so many videos to be taken down. I'm sorry. Subscribe.